Hey there, my name is Kate. I'm a watercolor artist and an illustrator. Thank you so much for taking a look at my class, and in this class it's going to be a class for painting a watercolor pepper. We're going to be doing a watercolor illustration of the pepper, not the identical photorealistic pepper in this class, and we will be using mostly the glazing techniques. I will guide you step by step through all the process of sketching and layering your first wash and until the last wash. And then as well, I love adding white gouache on top of my illustrations, so I will show you how I do that. I will be doing many more classes like this one for different food illustrations, and I will hope to see you in my other classes as well. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye! I will be doing many more classes like this one for different food illustrations because food is something that I really like. And so maybe it's going to help you on your journey to develop your own style. So we'll start off with the bell pepper, and the next food items will be following soon. I will see you in the next lesson where I will show you all the art supplies that I'm using, and then we will start by sketching the pepper.